Okay, for this next bit, I need to explain something about the way that the equal sign works. So, in this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example. Say we have a basket, and that basket has a quantity of apples. So, my equation is going to be the end result, or number of apples in basket will become equal to, remember it's computing, the number of apples in basket. In this case, I'm going to go times by 3. Now, what's going to happen here, therefore, is the first thing we need to do is we need to get out of the basket the number of apples so we can do something with them. So I'm going to do, and now I can apply the times by 3. My second one is my third one. Now I have all my apples, I can place them back in the basket. Okay, so what is this to do with JavaScript? Well, there is one thing about JavaScript, is we want to modify the page. But as you saw before, the page runs in its own sequence. And when we're running on an event, how am I going to change the page once it's already loaded? It's been read, it's been printed, it's been done. Well, to do that, we need to find the part of the page we want to change. For example, the number of apples. We need to take them out of the page. We then need to apply whatever we're going to do to them and then throw them back in the page. To do that, we're going to use something called getElementById. So, in fact, it's part of the document, so you're going to begin it. Document. Dot getElementById. Is equal to. Now, notice a couple of things. This command getElementById is camel case. So in the next video, we're actually going to use getElementById to change some of the text. First things first though, back in here, this to-do-right comment, I want to change that and give it an ID. So I'd like you to do the same. It's ID is equal to, and we're going to give it a name, and that's going to be change me. I'd like you to do the same. Away you go.